My privileged speech is entitled Dismay in the Delayed Process in the Registry of Deeds in the Province of Iloilo. Good afternoon, everyone. I address this august body with a resolve for our province to address this issue that our constituents are facing. Delayed registration of properties in the Registry of Deeds in the province of Iloilo. I will start my speech with a reminder that as public officers, we are tasked to safeguard the general welfare of our constituents. Thus, it saddens me when several of our constituents would refer to my office their concerns about the inordinate delay that they have been facing in having their property registered. This is not news to me. Over the years, I have heard several complaints about the process in the Registry of Deeds in the province of Iloilo. May it be about the assessment of fees, encoding of annotations, and even the release of titles. Let us go back to the mandate of the Land Registration Authority, LRA. It exists for the sole purpose of implementing and protecting the torrent system of land titling and registration, as well as registration of transactions involving personal properties. It issues decrees of registration pursuant to final judgment of courts, as it has to issue all subsequent or transfer certificates of title. It likewise extends assistance to DAR, Department of Agrarian Reform, in the implementation of Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program. The LRA is an independent corporate body exercising quasi-judicial functions using automated system and modern facilities. The agency's aim is to effectively manage the organization to be responsive to the needs of its clientele, its clients, and its personnel. An entity conscious and mindful of its role to promote and reach the utmost trust and confidence of the public, to preserve and maintain the integrity of the land records, providing vital, accurate, and timely land information to foster greater public trust and confidence. Given this big role in the delivery of government services, which includes farmers, I am dismayed by the fact that the poor and the marginalized are not given priority. It appears, as information relate to the undersigned, that corporations, including subdivisions and developers, are the main clients of the ROD to be catered to. May I remind the Registry of Deeds that the Iloilo provincial government has appropriated funds for its operation. From 2019 to 2021, the Iloilo provincial government has appropriated 448,000. In 2002, 748,000. And in 2023 and 24, 598,400 pesos. Now, given all these allocations, you would expect that the people of the province will be given due attention in its services. Likewise, since the Registry of Deeds is receiving budget from the national government, you would expect that they will improve their system in this time of digitalization. But why is that assessment, encoding, and registration are always delayed? Does it mean to say that despite these sufficient funds to utilize technology, the Registry of Deeds Iloilo did not make a way to easier availment of its services for its clients? One of the great themes of the 1987 Constitution is that public office is a public trust. It declared as a state policy that the state shall maintain honesty, integrity in the public service, and take positive and effective measures against graft and corruption. It ordained that public officers and employees must at all times be accountable to the people, serve them with utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty, and efficiency, act with patriotism and justice, and lead modest lives. The Registry of Deeds Iloilo Province should take cognizance that it is bound to faithfully observe the provisions of Republic Act 9485 or the Anti-Red Tape Act (ARTA) of 2007 and Republic Act 11032 or the ease of doing business and efficient delivery of government services. This should be a reminder to the Registry of Deeds Iloilo Province, its head and personnel, to adhere to this principle laid down for public officers. There should be steps to expedite the process with the Registry of Deeds. It is now time to serve the people of the province of Iloilo better. I call upon to enforce the process on your office with due diligence and in a prompt manner, especially to the marginalized sectors. Thank you very much. God bless everyone.